miss you like crazy.
You did not. You
So
were
I'm
busy.
learning how to video edit.
Good for you.
So, okay. And ChatGPT's teaching me. Okay. iMovie is up. Now, how do we load these two bits to create
Hi, baby.
for
Hi,
YouTube?
baby. Did you eat much while I was
Create
gone?
new project. I ate
Probably
everything.
less. You just ate handy stuff.
Oh yeah.
I knew that would be the way.
Create new movie. Name it something like YouTube. Okay. Create new project. Where's iMovie now? There it is. iMovie. New project. No. File. Import media. Okay. Desktop. I know where it's saved. Everything's organized. Okay. This one is the first one.
You organized your desktop this weekend too?
Oh yeah. Import media.
Where's your memory bank?
Right there.
Ah, I didn't see it. I didn't see the light because the microphone was in the way.
Okay. This one. I don't want this. We want a new one.
Add.
Project. Name. YouTube.
Try one.
YouTube. How to video. Part 1. Okay, I want to connect them. This one. And what is going on? I'm lost here.
Come on.
Delete.
Come on. Come on.
I want to delete this sound.
Baseball players.
Oh my god! This is the song I made for Jerry's party, Halloween night.
That's hilarious.
Why is that here?
Because that's the song you have saved on there.
Why is that here?
And we never did play it at Jerry's party. Save it.
As I was currently in use. Okay, stop. Alright. Let's remove that. Delete media, okay. Wait a minute, what? This item is currently in use in the project. Please remove it from the timeline. Okay. How do we remove it from the timeline? I don't know how to remove it from the timeline. No prompts are coming up. Reject.
You stay here.
Delete media from event. How do you remove it from the timeline? You know what? Combine videos. Here we go. New project. Perfect. We're just going to start fresh.
Again.
Again. Eventually, well, we're just learning this, so import media. Part 1. Import selected. Excuse me. I want to import more. How do I?
Do you have other movies on there you can import?
No,
Maybe.
it's 2 parts I want to put together for one video.
So you don't want it.
File, import. We'll find it. Import media, right there at the top. There we go. There's our second one. Import. All right. We have them imported. Now, file, edit. Add to movie, modify, fade to. Ooh. So we're going to bring this down here.
And you can shorten it as much as you want.
And we're going to bring this over here with a little bit of a transition. So we're going to go modify. Where was that transition now?
Edit.
Was it under edit? Me.
Add to movie.
Fade to. No.
There's modify.
We
Trim
wanted,
clip.
you know what? Let's pause this for a second. Back to the instruction. Okay. Both videos
I'm gonna go
are
figure out
in.
some good supper, okay?
All right, my love. It's nice to have you over.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, like me sitting around here bugging you.
Never.
Okay, I'm gonna go figure out a bite to eat. I'm hungry. I'm not terribly hungry. We will be in a couple hours.
And eyes.
All right, so you
Into one
Come on, baby.
video. So the just to bring you up to speed, the Sports Prophecy app, up and running live, beautiful as you saw last week, Friday. Today, nothing, dead in the water. When you log in, it just goes to the welcome page. You can't go nowhere. But I have created another brand called Zero Budget. And I've been uploading videos all weekend on how to do things using AI for zero budget, and you can create real things and how to use them.
Okay, but what happened to Sports Prophecy?
Nothing. I got to get back to it once we figure out the DNS error.
What's DNS?
Domain name servers.
Okay, I was gonna say
So the program,
DNRs do not resuscitate.
yeah, the program is not communicating, so it might be still on the end of Superbase or Vercel because there's so many parties involved to get everything, the front end, the back end together, GitHub,
Oh no.
APIs. Yes.
And we shared it with all these people. They're gonna say, "What the hell's going on?"
Well, that's part of development.
Growing pains.
Yeah. Sometimes we design the car, and then when we realize on the first drive, this door don't want to close once you open
Oh
it.
Jesus!
So we're still in the development stage. But I'm gonna, in the meantime, I'm doing this because I'm documenting that whole process
Good for you.
of building that app from nothing to the empire that we're kind of envisioning. Using
for
all
you.
the YouTube.
How to use AI without being afraid of it?
You
That's a
got-
good title. There you go.
Yeah. So that's what we're doing now. So this is live recording. You're being recorded. I'm being recorded. What we speak. Don't be shocked. And this process, what I'm doing now, will become another video on how to edit for free and how to create your videos for free.
With a Mac.
Well, this one is for a Mac. The majority of people use Windows. So the only thing they gotta, it shows them the process. So the tools might vary around the world. instead of iPhones. People might have Samsungs, things like that. All this is still relevant. It's going to show you how to use the AI, and it's going to walk you through it. And also to not give up. You're going to hit roadblocks. You're going to hit lots of roadblocks, one after the other. But stay where you are. As long as you're making progression, you're accomplishing something, and you're going to eventually get there. And the more you do it, the less roadblocks you have, the faster your progression. And next thing you know, that project's done and you're ready to do something else, or simply just sit back, enjoy that project, and enjoy. Anyway, I'm going to get this done. All right. Let's get this done, and this video's done. There's no gaps. They should snap together automatically. They're not snapping together automatically. There is a gap. Keeps making a gap. Yes,
Where did
my,
my vacuum?
oh, I put it in the pantry. It's
Okay.
right there by the frying pans.
It looks very nice. Everything's very tidy.
Yeah, I wanted everything cleaned up when you got home.
Beautiful. Thank you.
You're very welcome.